As CII, we realize that ESG is becoming more and more important from the decision making point of view. What ESG brought into the mainframe was that people have to talk within the companies, within the business model, and within various departments. There are merits in which the business model has to integrate itself, and what Mr. Hari Bhakti mentioned about integrated thinking. The companies where the financial guys have totally integrated with the so-called environment and the social part. I think there the results have somewhere started picking up. In India, we have NSE, the National Stock Exchange. It has the Nifty 50 index. It has the Nifty 100 index, which is there. Similarly, they introduced ESG index also. So NSE ESG index of top 100 listed companies, and some of the companies which were on Nifty 100, but on the NSE ESG, when you see their ratings, it was quite different. And some ratings, some ranking, I should not say rating, ranking were drastic. And those companies were where it triggered the point that while 2020 was more consumption year from the FMCG and such product things, why the stock is taking a beating? Because many foreign investors started pulling out of those type of stocks which do not fare good on ESG because of the past sins or the past performance. And there are many non-financial indicators, your responsibility within the supply chain, issues of human rights and all. Still, we see in many corporates risk register, we do not see those risks still qualifying not more than at the level of compliance. Companies have to rethink that do we need to be in those businesses where the level of pollution is so high that we have a very low sort of an acceptability with the community, or how had been our previous engagements with the various stakeholders, and the companies which think and act fast would be the futuristic companies.